Alright, we're coming up on Bodhi. Here it is. Bodhi Falls. Wow. Pretty wild. That's cool. Hop in there. You can sit in the falls and get a nice little massage. Bodhi Falls. Woo! Now that was pretty cool. It's only like a minute walk to the campsite. Far out, man. But that was it. Let's head back up. I don't want to be out here too long alone. There's wild cougars and bears out here, and elk with horns. You gotta watch out for these plants too, man. Fuck. These plants are dangerous as fuck. Got hemlock killed the great Socrates. The water hemlock. Same shit as right here in this Bodhi Falls. There's water hemlock here. One little poke gets in your bloodstream and will kill you. You don't want to get that shit inside of you. Water hemlock. Here's our steep hill. That falls is pretty cool though. Level 1 down. And that's it, people. It's only like a minute walk. To the campsite. Bodhi.